This is the beaded drizzle stitch. It's a really fun 3D stitch that stacks threads on top of itself, and you can add beads to the top of it. To make this stitch, we bring our needle up where you want the drizzle stitch to go. Pull our thread through so that's nice and flush. Now we're going to unthread our needle. I know this sounds funny, but we'll take the point of that needle and stick it right in the fabric next to where we came up, like so. Now we're going to make cast-on stitches, which are loops that wrap around our needle here. So I have my thread coming out of the fabric, and I'm going to cross it over itself, like so, and I'm going to take that loop and put it onto my needle, and then gently tug it nice and tight, and repeat. Loop, put that loop onto my needle, and gently tug, and these should be stacked on top of each other. We don't want them overlapping, just want them stacked. But we'll gently add our cast-on stitches, and however many you want, the more you add, the taller your drizzle stitch will be. But we'll add a few there. Now we're going to take our bead that we want to add to the top, and we are just going to gingerly slide this onto the eye of your needle here. And depending upon the size of your bead, you may need to use a beading needle for your drizzle stitch. I found some pretty big beads, so they work well with this larger needle. Next, we are going to rethread our needle. So I'm just gonna pick up my piece here, find the thread end, and gingerly thread it through the eye of my needle. Let's see here. There we go. Once our needle is rethreaded, I just pinch the drizzle stitch gingerly as I pull the needle through the fabric. Come on. There we go, and we just gently tug until everything is stacked on the top of our fabric. And that is our beaded drizzle stitch. Isn't that a fun one?